Do you remember that feeling of opening your closet door and being met with a jumbled mess of clothes? I certainly do. A decluttered closet is so much more than just about organization. It's about cultivating a sense of peace and intention in your personal space. Imagine starting your day feeling calm and in control, surrounded by only the items that truly make you happy. Spring, with its spirit of renewal and fresh starts, presents the perfect opportunity to embark on this journey of decluttering and creating a closet that sparks joy. Let's open our hearts and our closets to the possibility of a more joyful and harmonious way of living. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to join our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Before we dive into the practicalities of organizing, we must first address the heart of the matter: decluttering. A wonderful method I use is the KonMari method, which emphasizes keeping items that spark joy in our hearts. Begin by gathering all your clothes and laying them out on the floor. Take each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? Pay close attention to the feeling it evokes within you. If the answer is yes, keep it. If it evokes hesitation or guilt, thank the item for its service and let it go. As you move through your clothes, you'll likely encounter items that no longer fit, are damaged, or haven't been worn in over a year. Embrace the opportunity to let go of the old and make space for the new. Now that we've thoughtfully decluttered our belongings, let's move on to the next step: organizing. A well-organized closet is a thing of beauty and functionality. Start by assessing your closet's layout and identifying areas for improvement. Could you utilize vertical space more effectively with shelves or hanging organizers? Drawers are wonderful for storing folded items. Consider investing in slim hangers to maximize hanging space and create a visually appealing uniformity. Remember, the key to successful organization is creating a system that works for you and your unique needs. Smart storage strategies, maximizing space and visibility. Foldable storage bins are a versatile solution for storing off-season clothing, blankets, or items you don't use regularly. These bins can be easily tucked away on higher shelves, freeing up valuable space in your main closet area. Dividers are essential for keeping drawers organized and preventing clothes from becoming a jumbled mess. Clear storage boxes allow you to see the contents at a glance, eliminating the need to rummage through multiple containers. Use these boxes to store shoes, handbags, or accessories, keeping them dust-free and organized. When it comes to hangers, opt for velvet or non-slip varieties to prevent clothes from slipping off and ending up on the floor. Creating a calm and serene space. The transformative power of an organized closet. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine opening your closet door to be greeted by a sense of calm and order. Your clothes are neatly organized by color, style, or season. Shoes are lined up on shelves, and accessories are beautifully displayed in clear containers. A decluttered and organized closet is not just about aesthetics. It has a profound impact on our mental well-being and productivity. When our physical space is in order, our minds are free to focus on other things. Imagine waking up each morning feeling calm and collected, knowing exactly where to find your favorite outfit. This sense of control and order can extend to other areas of our lives, inspiring us to approach our work, relationships, and personal goals with greater clarity and intention. Why spring cleaning your closet is essential: renewal and fresh starts. Spring, with its promise of new beginnings and fresh starts, presents the perfect opportunity to embark on a journey of decluttering and renewal in our homes. Just as nature sheds its old layers and blooms anew, we too can use this time to let go of what no longer serves us and create space for growth and positive energy. When we surround ourselves with items that spark joy, we invite more happiness and abundance into our lives. The act of decluttering can be incredibly liberating. It allows us to release any guilt or attachment we may have to material possessions and focus on what truly matters. By letting go of the old, we make space for new opportunities, experiences, and relationships to enter our lives. Let's open our hearts and our closets to the possibility of a more joyful, balanced, and fulfilling life. Embrace the joy of tidying. Remember, it is not about striving for perfection. It's about creating a space that brings you peace and reflects who you are. As you continue on your tidying journey, remember to be patient with yourself, trust your intuition, and most importantly, have fun. Leave us a comment below telling us what you learned here today. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.